So Ash, there is a lot of good models out there. What are your advice when people are wondering which one to use for which use cases?
One of the things I typically say is that don't go plainly by the benchmarks. You need to go beyond the model benchmarks, have a custom eval for yourself, and have your own model evaluation metrics that help you understand how is it doing for your task rather than like generally on a public data set. Second is don't just go by the model size. For a lot of activities when we are building, say, agentic AI workflows, every single step of the workflow could require a different model, some big, some small, some reasoning, some non-reasoning. So it depends on what you're trying to optimize for at that very step. One of the easy way to think about it is have this like three-dimensional approach of you have speed, you have quality, and you have the cost. So at any given time when you're designing a system and you're thinking about what model should I choose for this step, think about that. Another thing that I would recommend is always have an experimental mindset. It is important that you're thinking about prompt versioning. You're thinking about system prompts. You need to have a structured experimental mindset.
So one thing that you mentioned that's very important is that people should look at benchmark, but also kind of do their own benchmark, right? So let's say I want to do my own benchmark. What methodology should I follow?
If you want to get your own custom evals, that basically means that you have your own ground truth data, right? So if you're working at, say, a finance company, an insurance, a healthcare, or a different company, then you need to have your own ground truth data to understand how that model is performing for your use case. Yeah. A lot of times companies don't have that benchmark data. So in those cases, what you can still do is at least have certain structure around what that data can look like and create a set of synthetic data and use that to evaluate the model.
That's the beauty, right? Even if you don't have data, you can make it up, right? That's all right. Thank you, Ash.
Thank you so much, Sylvain.